Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my friends. We are back in our journey to learn modern Python for AI agentic development. In the previous videos, we were discussing about logical operators, namely and or. And now we are on the last of our logical operators, which is not. So, are you with me? Let's dive deep into the not logical operator. So what the not operator basically does is that it switches the value of a Boolean variable to the opposite side. If it's on, it makes it off. If it's off, it's make it on. The truth is does become false and the false does becomes true. So if you want to converse a value, the not operator is the right handy tool for you to use. For example, in this examples of our, we are proceeding in this statement, the print value of I have won the 100-meter race only if the above conditions are met. If I'm healthy, if I am fast, and if I finish the line first, and if I am exhausted too, I will win the 100-meter race. But this last condition, if I am exhausted, that seems somewhat whimsical and comical. So it seems that we should make it not. If I am not exhausted, that becomes more sensible for me to win a 100-meter race, because if I am winning, I must be motivated, enthusiastic, and energetic. So let's make it not. Here is the notable part for Python. In other languages, the not operator is available, but you have to use the exclamation mark to signify that. That makes the process cumbersome. But in the Python language, you have not as the word not we've used in English. That makes it closer and closer to natural language and easier to code, and likewise read the code or modify it when you need to modify it. So let's implement and run this code. What is the result? See, the print statement is not working. We are not winning the 100-meter race because the true I am exhausted has a true value. I am exhausted. So how can I win the race? The condition is that I should not be exhausted. Let's make this false. And let's run this command again. So we were trying to make this program run. What was the problem? Why was it not working? Because I am fast had also the value false, and the AND operator has a strict condition for achieving our goal. If here we had an OR variable, this command would run, because either I should be healthy or I should be fast. But here, when there was AND variable, we were not able to proceed. So in order to meet this condition, we should make the I am fast variable to true value. And then only and only we will be able to win the 100-meter race. So let's go. Hooray! We have won the 100-meter race, and we have also covered all of the logical operators. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.